So we are embarking on developing environmental goals for the organization, and of course, water is going to be one of those goals. So to really understand to developing a goal around water, we need to understand water risk for the organization. What we are going to do is do a study and see where we are water risk globally with our organization, and see where we can set appropriate goals to develop water goals for Ashland. Then we can develop the appropriate plans and programs to develop conservation efforts and see where we can reduce water consumption with the organization. But before developing those goals, we need to develop that water risk plan and understand where our risks are. The business value, I can give you an example for one of our commercial units, the Valvoline oil business. They've been working with a major customer, matter of fact, called Walmart, and they tend to be the 700-pound gorilla on the block. And they've kind of dictated a little bit how we're going to develop our sustainability program. Part of that is, managing water. Valvoline doesn't use a lot of water in their operations. As you know, Valvoline is a lubricating oil business, so the lubricants go into oil and machinery and other products. But water is used, for cleaning and for sanitary use within the operation. So they've embarked on a program to try to maintain their baseline consumption of water to a baseline year that they decided upon. And through practices within the organization, they've succeeded in maintaining their water uses and consumption against that baseline year. So, it's added some, beneficial costs to the organization. So they didn't have to outlay additional resources for consumption of water. So they've seen benefit in using conservation methods for controlling their costs for water consumption. I think the great thing about GEMI is that it puts me in contact with great resources, other companies that are facing the same issues with water. And we can share ideas about our current plans and activities that we have within our organizations. The other great thing about GEMI is that the tools that are available that we can potentially use to help us develop, worst scenarios around water. So, those tools and how other companies have used those tools gives me good insight on how I can use those tools within my organization. So I think that's real great benefit for, collaborating and working with GEMI and GEMI members, as well as folks outside the organization. So I find great value within GEMI.